In this training video, we will be going over account settings. As you can see, we are already in the Settings tab for Account. So for all users, you're going to create your password here or change your password. So you would put your old password, then implement your new password, and then your confirmation, and then submit. Also, you can change your email for any of the users that are using the program. So there's your old email, your new email, and the confirmation, and submit. To your success, and thank you for watching.